Welcome to the 10th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 2. In this class, we will continue to explain various tools and their uses. This is the product we want to create. A panel with 2x2 ribs and interlock gating, and 2 stripes of transfers on the left and right side respectively. Select the repeat and add to cache list. Let's start with the panel exported from the Knit Spec module. Pointelle markers are generated for the transfer locations. Add an empty row between the bodice and the sweep. Right-click on the pattern in the cache list and go to Set up Pattern Fill Parameters. Go to Color Palette Setting and select Merge Palette. Then select the Column Pattern Fill mode. Check Fill Color and Fill Structure. Make sure we have turned on Protected Fill. Then click Half Shift Repeat. Then set the Shift Repeat. Set the step to count to 1. Confirm. Click the pattern Repeat again. Select Pattern Fill. Click on the starting point next to the pointelle marker. The pattern is then automatically filled to edge. Select the filled area. Use Mirror Copy to fill in the other side of the panel as well. As we checked edge protection, the neckline edge is not filled. Remove the pointelle marker and the empty row after pattern fill. Draw the 2x2 ribs repeat and use pattern fill to fill the bodice. This completes the panel pattern. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.